Exclusive report from Tokyo, Japan. We now move on to some other breaking news that's coming in. The government has appointed former Reserve Bank of India Governor Urjit Patel as India's Executive Director at the International Monetary Fund, that is the IMF, for a 3-year term. Now, Patel, who served as RBI Governor between the year 2016 and 2018, will represent India on the IMF's Executive Board, which oversees the organization's day-to-day operations and key policy decisions. The Government of India has appointed the former Reserve Bank of India Governor Urjit Patel as India's IMF Executive Director, according to the official order that was issued by the Department of Personnel and Training, that is the DOPT, on Thursday, August 28, that is yesterday. Patel's appointment will be for a period of 3 years, effective from the date he assumes charge of the post or until further orders, whichever is received earlier. The order was signed by Manisha Saxena, Secretary of the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet and Establishment Officer. Moving on to what's happening in Jammu. In Jammu, the Indian Army's 106th Engineering Regiment is constructing a 110 feet long bridge after the earlier one was damaged in the town after the flash floods. This crucial link is being restored to reconnect the region and ease local movement. Here's a report from Ground Zero.
Indian Army has begun the construction of a 109 feet long bridge, roughly a 110 feet long bridge that is being constructed on River Tavi. This is an connectivity link up to the fourth bridge of the Tavi, whose approach road was completely washed away on the floods that have taken place on last couple of days. The situation that has gone from bad to worse in Jammu, and now these link-up bridges being constructed by 106 Engineering Regiment of the Indian Army. Here you will see that a complete infrastructure is being developed, and a 6 hours timeline has been set that by the end of the day, the people will be able to easily roam about this very bridge. Reason being that this was an important connectivity to the Jammu city. On a daily basis, around a total of 40 to 50,000 commuters move on this bridge. But now, due to the flash floods and the rising level of River Tavi, the disruptions that have been caused, including the complete damage to the approach road, now the connectivity has come to an halt. And yesterday, the entire Jammu city was choked due to the excess flow of traffic that was seen. And now, with an immediate request that was placed by the J&K government to the Indian Army for immediate restoration of this link, Indian Army's 106 Engineering Regiment has swung into the action. They are now constructing this bridge. We are told that this is a 110 feet long and a 19 feet wide bridge that is being constructed by the Indian Army.